Welcome back. Let's kick things off with football, shall we? Jamaica has joined an historic bid to co-host the 2031 FIFA Women's World Cup with the USA, Mexico and Costa Rica. More in this report. A formal proposal to host the 2031 FIFA Women's World Cup was launched on Monday in New York City in a joint bid by the Jamaica Football Federation, the U.S. Soccer Federation, the Mexican Football Federation, and the Costa Rican Football Federation. The joint bid is part of a broader collaboration across CONCACAF, with Costa Rica and Jamaica joining the USA and Mexico as co-hosting partners to deliver a truly continental celebration of women's football. All four countries have pledged to deliver the most impactful tournament in history, one designed to inspire future generations, empower women and girls through sport, and leave a lasting legacy for global football development. If selected, the 2031 tournament would be the largest Women's World Cup in history, welcoming an estimated 4.5 million fans across venues in all four host nations. The official bid book and related documentation will be submitted to FIFA in November 2025. The global governing body is expected to officially announce its decision at next year's FIFA Congress on April 30 in Vancouver. Former reggae girl Chiana Matthews was at the launch.
This bid means so much, I think, for players, current players, future players, but I think the youth, it's going to be unbelievable. I think the exposure, I think just the commitment to infrastructure, like Kelly mentioned, to jobs that it's going to bring. I think even in Jamaica, like thinking about the stadium, which will probably be National Stadium, I'm assuming, the amount of jobs, the amount of exposure for young girls, and I can imagine in other countries, this will be just super, super exciting.
And the USA and Canada are the only countries in CONCACAF to have previously hosted the FIFA Women's World Cup. The bid also comes on the heels of the USA, Mexico and Canada successfully bidding to host the 2026 FIFA Men's World Cup.